The Audi R8 is a sharply styled supercar with one of the most iconic engines of all time. The Audi R8 styling has become more and more aggressive over the years, but while its design is undeniably handsome and purposeful, it does lack some of the drama of alternatives, particularly the Lamborghini Huracán. The Audi is less hardcore than the Lambo, though, less intense on a twisty road or racetrack. What the R8 offers instead is a level of refinement that's more in line with the rest of the Audi lineup. Its snug, two-seat cabin is lined with high-end materials and features a minimalist design that forgoes the usual center-mounted infotainment display in favor of a digital gauge display that serves both purposes. The interior is comfortable for both driver and passenger, and the R8 would make a fine touring car if it weren't for a puny cargo area that fits only one carry-on suitcase. If this particular cross-section of performance and luxury appeals to you, now's the time to act. Minimalism never felt so luxurious. By having the instrument cluster double as the infotainment screen, Audi provides a refreshingly simple layout and lets the beautifully sculpted sports seats and high-resolution digital gauge display take center stage in the R8's cockpit. Audi allows for quite a bit of customization when it comes to interior colors and textures. Black, gray, brown, and red leather are offered in either a flat or quilted pattern with matching or contrast stitching. Overall, it's a beautifully executed cockpit with easy-to-reach controls, including the ignition button located on the steering wheel. The excellent virtual cockpit gauge cluster does double duty here, displaying both instrumentation and the MMI infotainment system. It feels as futuristic here as it does in Audi's other cars, such as the A4 and the TT. High-resolution navigation is standard, and the system can be controlled via voice commands, steering wheel-mounted buttons, or a click wheel on the center console. All Audi R8s come with a 7-speed twin-clutch automatic gearbox and a 5.2-liter V10 engine that sounds like it belongs in an F1 racer from the 2000s, not a road car that's currently on sale. How much power you get depends on the model you go for. The V10 Performance RWD has 570 horsepower, gets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and keeps going until it hits a top speed of 204 miles per hour. Rather have the security of four-wheel drive? Then you'll want the 620 horsepower V10 Performance Quattro. Its extra traction means it accelerates faster than the RWD. It does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds dead and hits 205 miles per hour flat out.